The MVP Track Club has confirmed that veteran coach and co-founder Steve Francis is receiving medical care in hospital. The club said he is in excellent hands but declined to disclose details about his condition, requesting privacy regarding his diagnosis, treatment and prognosis. Widely regarded as one of the world's most successful track and field coaches, Francis has guided his athletes to at least 84 global medals, 56 at the World Championships and 28 at the Olympic Games. His list of stars includes Shelly Fraser-Price, Elaine Thompson-Herah, Shericka Jackson, Kishane Thompson, Asava Powell, Melaine Walker, Bridget Foster Hilton, Michael Frater and Tia Clayton.